Are we good?
Yeah, we're good.
We're rolling?
Hi guys, I'm Alie. This is welcome to my kitchen.
And today we are baking the world's best homemade chocolate chip cupcakes. I'm not sure if I believe that, but we'll find out.
What's up guys? Welcome back to the Ithaca College YouTube channel and happy Thanksgiving! Woo! I hope you guys are doing well and you're staying safe out there. I hope whatever circumstance that you're in this Thanksgiving that you have some good company and some good food. We're all going to be making chocolate cupcakes and we're going to decorate them as turkeys. While we're baking, we're going to have a time limit of 30 minutes. Every 5 minutes there's going to be an Ithaca trivia question that we're going to see how well we know Ithaca. I probably will not do well.
Let's get to it.
Alright guys, we've started. I don't know why I just yelled.
Let's do this! What should we do first? Let's preheat the oven to 300 degrees.
Preheat the oven to 300 is my first instruction. I already did that. Check.
A large bowl. Like this large?
When I was young, I really loved baking. That's my story!
Gosh, being timed makes this so much more stressful. 3. Alright, what's next?
Make sure that everything is leveled.
We could use a leveler, but I'm just gonna say that's good.
1 teaspoon of baking soda. Oh, this is baking powder, guys. Hold on.
Oh, no, you know what we forgot?
Important.
Oh god. It's going everywhere. It just went in my mouth.
Oh, guys, this is funny because I don't know where my baking soda is.
Ithaca College may be teaching me how to film this for you, but one thing that they haven't taught me is how to cook.
Minor delay. I have to call a friend for help. That friend being my mom.
You feel?
Hi, so I'm on video and I don't know where the baking soda is and I'm being timed for this video and it's a little stressful.
Up above the stove. Got it?
Oh my god, that's what it is? That's so weird. Got it, guys. All is well.
Number 1 trivia question. I'm scared. What are the 5 schools of Ithaca College? Okay, ready? I need to get a bowl.
Communication school, the business school, the humanities and sciences.
The Park School of Communications. We have School of Humanities and Sciences. We have the Business School. We have
Music school, and the health sciences.
how many is that?
4.
4? Okay, and then we have School Music.
Park School, Whalen, Business School, H&S, and HSHP.
Good job.
Ding, ding, ding.
Name 3 Ithaca waterfalls.
Buttermilk, Taganic, and Ithaca.
Wow, good job.
Wow!
Okay, Taganic. Is buttermilk one?
Yeah.
Okay, last one. We're using a baby spoon to mix this whole thing, by the way.
Ithaca Falls, Buttermilk, and Second Dam.
Oh, is texture? No, it's not one.
No.
Oh, Tahanic! We'll say half for that one. Half for that one.
Think about the town that we're in.
Ithaca Falls?
Yeah.
Oh my god, actually?
Whoa, look at the batter! It looks so good! My 13-year-old self is quaking.
Oh guys, this looks really good.
It's not thin, but look, that's better.
Sorry, that's my dog. Her name's Marlo. She's really sweet.
Ooh.
Why'd you go that way?
I don't know.
Silicone. Sustainable cupcake wrappers. Look at that. Bet none of the other people have sustainable cupcake wrappers. Shame on you.
La-di-da.
Shame.
Hey, Alie.
Oh god.
The
Oh,
names of
crap.
each building in Lower Quads.
Oh, okay.
So Lower Quads, I'm pretty sure, is made out of LBC.
Landon, Bogart, Clark.
Just go for it.
Okay, Landon, Bogart, Clark.
Which one is I in?
Oh, I can picture which building it is that I'm forgetting.
Okay, so far I have Clark, Landon, Bogart, and Lyon. And then Eastman!
Eastman Lion.
Yeah.
Oh, it's Eastman!
Yeah.
Yes! That's right. I have chocolate all over my hands. They're going in.
gonna throw these in the oven. So I will see you in about 20 minutes.
Here they are, going in.
Timer is on.
We'll be back.
Hi guys, we're back. We're gonna start frosting now, so I have to put on the timer. Again, I have 10 minutes to frost and make some turkeys.
They look so good. Oh my god.
This is all chocolate, baby. We're gonna start decorating.
I really hope you're all enjoying watching me frost these cups. Oh!
I wanted to be cool and pipe it, but I think this part was supposed to go inside. So we're just gonna see if
Oh boy.
Alright, now we take our candy corner.
Oh no, she's falling apart.
Oh no!
So we have this, and then we have this, and then you eat these.
What is the official proper name of the library?
Oh my god! I don't know! What?
Oh my god, this is actually so sad because I spent my entire life in this library.
That's so sad. The amount of time I've spent in that library.
I'll give you like 10 seconds.
The Gan, it's not Gan, the Gillians, the
6,
The Garrett Center.
2,
Garrett, Gone,
1.
Gilmore.
Hey, you were close. You were so close.
What is it?
It's the Gannett. The Gannett
I knew
Center.
that! I so knew that.
Really? No way, I've been saying Garrett for years.
See, this is what happens when you're not on campus and you forget everything about Ithaca.
How'd that turkey come out?
Here's a turkey on vacation.
I got my turkeys and my icy cupcakes.
We did it.
Today we learned that sometimes you just gotta do your best, and even then, it'll still taste good.
I hope you enjoyed. I hope you go make yourself some nice turkey cupcakes.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching us make some lovely turkey cupcakes. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Stay safe out there. Wear your masks. And
Like and subscribe.
like and subscribe. Smash that like button. Turn on that bell notification. And we will see you soon.
Thank you for watching. Happy Turkey Day.
Bye guys.
Bye. Jay's chomping.
Make sure that when you make cupcakes, cool them before you ice.
I'm excited. Chocolate heaven. Good recipe for a cupcake.
I feel like I'm on like Worst Cooks in America, and then all of a sudden they're like, time! We're like, hands up!
I agree with you. Somehow this is worse. I just want it to look pretty.
Look guys, my cupcakes.